Okay, this is 10-43. If it says, if QS is a diameter, PO is a chord of the circle at right, find the measure of the geometric parts listed. So they want QSO. So
what does that mean? They want us to find the angle of S?
I'm gonna have to. I'll probably end up filling out this whole thing. 'Cause I like these. They're like a little puzzle. Here's P. Here's S. Here's P. There's N and O. There's O. There's N. This is 63. Okay, so this is 80 right here, right? So if this arc is 80, then
O and S is 82.
Well, we don't know if N is the center or not. We know that QS is a diameter, but we're not positive that N is on the center. Now, it doesn't look like it's a diameter, especially on mine. Maybe in your book it does. But that means that if QS is a diameter, this side is 180. Does that make sense? This half, and then this half's 180. So that means if this part's 80, then this part's 100.
100.
And that can help us.
100. Then one of those two sides is 100, which is the one straight across.
So this one is what they're asking us. This is QSO. So do you guys, is that okay? This is 100, but what does it make the angle be?
It makes the angle be 50.
50, yeah, because remember it's inscribed. If it were a central angle, then it would be 100 like the arc, but so that's 50 degrees. That was letter A. Letter B, QPO. So that's this, oh, I didn't even connect my line. QPO. So QPO is what? How many degrees? 50, because it's intercepting this arc that is 100 and it's inscribed, so it's 50. Okay, that's B. I love these things. I like circles. O-N-S. O.
Then why aren't you teaching geometry next year?
We don't have geometry. It's called Integrated 2 now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'll be, if you guys are anybody going to pre-calc, I'll be teaching pre-calc and Algebra 2, maybe some of you guys.
I'm going to Algebra 2 and calculus the year after that.
That'll be me. Now, we don't know that this is the center, though. That's kind of a problem. O-N-S.
I still don't get how Daniel was in pre-calculus last year.
Because he did geometry in 8th grade.
Okay, so we're on YouTube, you guys.
He's in 9th right now. He was in 8th grade last year.
Yeah.
He was
Who
in
asked?
pre-calculus last year.
So,
Jesse.
So this one, I would love if this was a central angle, then I would just say it's 80. But we don't know we know this is a diameter, but we don't know.
Actually, you can't actually do that it's 80 because isn't it divided by 2 in order to get the angle in the center?
Well, no, if it was a central angle, if you had a circle,
I think
if this was 50, this would be. I think it wants us to use this triangle. There's a triangle, and we know triangles add up to how many?
180.
Yeah, 180 minus 63 minus 50. That's 67. See, I think they wanted to trick us by making it look kind of like it might be the center when it's, well, I mean, I guess in the picture, even in the book, you can tell it's really not. Okay, that was letter C. Where's letter D? Letter D wants
D is the arc of
PS.
Wouldn't the arc, so if that's 8.
So it would be 100?
No.
How come?
Oh yeah, because there's 80, then 100's next to it, and then, wait, are you explaining it wrong?
No, PS would be 126, right?
Are you using this angle right here, or
POS.
you using POS? Oh, thank you. Yes, use POS. So smart. See, look at this inscribed angle. It's intercepting the arc that they're asking us about, and it's got a 63, so you can double it because it's an inscribed angle. So 63 times 2 is 126, right? And that's correct. That's letter. We're so smart. There's letter D, and then what do we want? Letter E is PQ. PQ. Now we know that this thing. Wait, what did we just say that was? 126. Probably can't read that because of the color of the pen, huh? 126. So we know that this is, the whole thing's 180, so this piece is going to be 180 minus 126.
Actually, Miss Lynn, here's an easier way.
Okay.
Because like, it's gonna, the angle is 67.
That's not a central angle, though. So it's not a central angle or an inscribed angle, so we can't really use it to...
No, but if you put it across because of the, like, if the angle 67
Oh, this one,
is,
you want that one to be? Okay, so that's...
That has to be 67 because...
That is, but that's not what they're asking us, is it?
But that's an inscribed angle for that arc that we defined.
No, inscribed angles have to be on the circle. That one's inside the circle. Yeah. And if it's inside the circle and it's at the center, it's called a central angle. But we don't...
It's not at the center.
It's not.
PQ would be 54, right?
Yeah, I got for letter E. Yeah, PQ is 54 because I went 180 because this is a diameter right here. 180 minus 126, and I got my 54.
Oh.
Did you do it a different way?
Yeah, I did 126 and 80.
Uh-huh.
I got 206, 360 minus 206 is 154.
Uh-huh, but then you had that 100, so, yeah, that was smart. Yeah, there's a lot of different ways to do it. That's why I like them so much. Here's letter F. Letter F says PQN. It's an angle PQN. Do we already have that? Oh, PQN. So anybody know how to find PQN? It's right here.
Couldn't we use the arc?
Yes. The arc is 126 that it's intercepting, and it's on the circle, so it's inscribed.
63.
Yes.
Are they the same triangles?
Oh, probably. Yes, they are, because look. Well, we don't know that they're the same, but we know that they are similar. Yeah. So that means all their sides are proportional and all their angles are equal. That was fun. I love those.